Hey guys, so how do you actually fix the TikTok shop button on the bottom corner that's missing? So a lot of people have this problem right here, and it's actually really easy to fix. So we're going to go to settings, and we're going to need to provision your account, because that's the actual problem here, because your account is not well provisioned to or is missing a couple of steps to actually allow you to traverse through the shopping option. So we're going to go to settings, guys, and once we are on settings, I'm going to need you to click on the notifications, and on the oops missed one here. So I'm going to need you to go to the again, notifications, and in here on the notifications there's going to be a bunch of options here that are missing actually. So go ahead and click likes, all of this. I want you to activate all of this. So the bottom one here on the last part is actually optional if you want to, but that's just it. Once you've turned on all of this, then that'll do the trick for you. Let's just try to go back here and see if the option is here we go. So the shop option is now available, as you can see on the bottom corner here. So that's just basically it. You could just basically shop now, and yeah, just basically do whatever you want and shop on the platform itself. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is of any help for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.